Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few things satisfy quite like a warm bowl of Lu Rou Fan, or Taiwanese braised pork rice. This classic dish offers the ultimate comfort food experience. It's savory, slightly sweet, and features tender pork belly that practically melts over fluffy white rice. It's no wonder this street food favorite holds a special place in Taiwanese cooking. Many home cooks think this dish is too complex to make authentically, but you'll be surprised to find it's easier than you'd expect. Our recipe simplifies the steps without sacrificing the deep, genuine flavor of true Taiwanese cuisine. We've broken down the process so anyone can achieve that perfect, sticky braised pork right in their own kitchen. In this video, you'll find everything needed to recreate this beloved recipe. We're providing clear, step-by-step instructions for an incredibly rewarding meal that tastes genuinely Taiwanese. Get ready to cook up a batch of the best Lu Rou Fan you've ever had. Why Lu Rou Fan is Taiwan's ultimate comfort food. Lu Rou Fan isn't just a meal. It's a staple of Taiwanese culinary culture. It provides instant warmth and satisfaction, much like a hug in a bowl. Picture this: sweet, savory, deeply rich braised pork simmering slowly, its aroma filling the kitchen. This simple dish, often served from bustling street stalls, represents home cooking and tradition across the island. The magic lies in the ingredients and the slow cooking process, transforming humble components into something extraordinary. When you taste that sticky, tender pork over rice, you immediately understand its status as the nation's ultimate comfort food. The magic of pork belly, texture is everything. To achieve true, authentic Lu Rou Fan, pork belly is the only cut you should consider. This requirement goes beyond flavor. It is about texture. Pork belly provides essential layers: the skin, the thick layer of soft fat, and the lean meat. When you cook these three components low and slow, they perform a beautiful culinary dance. Here is why the texture of pork belly is non-negotiable. The skin component. The skin breaks down during the braising process, releasing collagen. This collagen thickens the sauce naturally, giving it that distinct, sticky glaze that coats the rice perfectly. The fat component. The generous fat layer renders down slowly. It infuses the entire dish with richness and flavor. Crucially, the fat prevents the meat, the lean layer, from drying out, ensuring every bite is moist and tender. The meat component. The meat soaks up the complex flavors of the braising liquid. Because the fat is present, the meat remains silky and soft, dissolving effortlessly when you eat it. If you substitute pork belly with leaner cuts, you lose the necessary fat and collagen mix. The result is a dry, thin sauce and a disappointing texture that misses the heart of this classic dish. Properly rendered pork belly ensures the final dish is lush, glossy, and undeniably satisfying. The key to richness: essential aromatic ingredients. The deep, unforgettable flavor of Lu Rou Fan comes from a powerful base layer of aromatic ingredients. These components build the bridge between the savory meat and the slightly sweet seasonings. You absolutely need shallots, garlic, and ginger to create the authentic flavor profile. Using the right foundation of aromatics creates the necessary richness for the sauce. Shallots. These are perhaps the most vital aromatic ingredient. Fried crispy shallots, or high-quality fried shallot flakes, are essential. They provide a unique sweetness and deep umami not found in regular onions. You must fry them carefully until golden and crispy before adding them to the braise. This step locks in their complex, nutty flavor. Garlic. Garlic adds a powerful, pungent base note that balances the richness of the pork. We often use several cloves, bruising them slightly to release their oils into the sauce during the long braise. Ginger. A few slices of ginger offer warmth and a subtle spicy note. The ginger cuts through the fattiness of the pork belly, ensuring the sauce tastes balanced instead of heavy. The careful preparation of these aromatics, especially the shallots, is what takes the sauce from merely good to truly spectacular. They lay the groundwork for the delicious, multi-layered depth that defines great Lu Rou Fan. Mastering the braising sauce, simple ingredients for deep flavor. The sauce is the true star of Lu Rou Fan. It's what transforms simple braised pork belly into an addictive, rich, and cohesive dish. Achieving the perfect sauce means understanding how a few simple ingredients work together. We're aiming for a flavor that is deeply savory, slightly sweet, glossy, and perfectly balanced. Forget complex recipes. This sauce relies on careful ratios and quality components. The perfect ratio of soy sauces. Soy sauce is the backbone of almost all Taiwanese braises. We must use two types to build depth, not just saltiness. Using only one type will never give you the desired complexity and color. Understanding the purpose of each soy sauce prevents the dish from tasting flat or overly salty. We differentiate between light and dark soy sauces for specific reasons. Light soy sauce, shangshu. This provides the primary saltiness and umami. It has a thin consistency and is bright brown in color. Use it primarily for seasoning the meat and liquid. Be careful when adding it. You can always add more salt, but you cannot take it away. Dark soy sauce, lao shu. This is essential for color. It has a thicker, more syrupy texture and a deep, nearly black color. Dark soy sauce gives the finished sauce its iconic deep mahogany hue known in Lu Rou Fan. It is also slightly sweeter and less salty than light soy sauce. We use it sparingly, mainly for coloring and adding a layer of deep molasses flavor. A good starting point is usually a greater volume of light soy sauce compared to dark soy sauce. This balances the needed salt with the desired deep, appealing color. Sweetness and spice, balancing with rock sugar and 5-spice. To cut through the richness of the pork belly and saltiness of the soy sauce, we need sweetness and powerful spice. These two elements are critical in creating that authentic sticky glaze that coats every grain of rice. Rock sugar for glaze. Rock sugar is the preferred sweetener here, offering superior results compared to granulated white sugar. Why rock sugar? Rock sugar melts slower and produces a smoother, more refined sweetness with a hint of caramel flavor. It interacts perfectly with the soy sauce and collagen from the pork skin, developing that signature sticky, luscious glaze. This glaze is what makes authentic Lu Rou Fan so enjoyable. We usually agera the rock sugar slightly at the start of the braise. This step intensifies its flavor before combining it with the other liquids. The magic of Chinese 5-spice powder. A dash of Chinese 5-spice powder is non-negotiable. It provides warmth and aromatic complexity that defines the flavor profile. It cuts through the rich pork, preventing the dish from becoming heavy. The standard components of Chinese 5-spice powder are cinnamon, star anise, cloves, Sichuan pepper, or regular peppercorns, and fennel seeds. A small amount of this powerful powder goes a very long way in achieving an authentic Lu Rou Fan flavor. Do not skip this ingredient. The secret ingredient, Taiwanese rice wine. Many home cooks underestimate the power of using a good cooking wine in braised dishes. The right alcohol smooths the flavor profile and vastly improves the resulting meat texture. We rely on Shaoxing rice wine, or a suitable substitute, for two essential functions: tenderizing and flavor. Alcohol changes the composition of the meat fibers as it cooks, resulting in a more tender pork belly. It also evaporates slowly during the braise, leaving behind a deep, complex, nutty flavor that rounds out the sauce. Aromatics. The wine helps neutralize or remove any gamey smells sometimes present in pork. This leaves the sauce smelling and tasting incredibly clean and robust. If you cannot find authentic Shaoxing rice wine, a dry sherry makes an accessible substitute. Ensure it is a dry variety, not sweetened dessert sherry, to maintain the necessary balance in the sauce. Use the substitute at a 1-to-1 ratio. Step by step, Cooking your authentic Taiwanese braised pork rice. Making Lu Rou Fan is a straightforward process when you follow the right steps. The true secret lies in taking your time and preparing the ingredients correctly before the long, slow braise. If you handle the pork and aromatics with care, the rest of the cooking is easy. We will take you through the preparation and simmering stages, ensuring a rich, authentic result perfect for serving over rice. Prepping the pork, cutting and blanching for clean flavor. Preparation is key to achieving a clean, richly flavored sauce. You must correctly prepare the pork belly before it hits the pan. This involves proper cutting and a crucial quick blanching step to remove any impurities. First, focus on how you cut the pork since size matters for texture. Cutting the pork. Take your pork belly block and cut it into strips about ½ an inch wide. Then, turn the strips and cut across them, making small cubes roughly ½ an inch square. If the pieces are too large, they will not break down properly during the braise. If they are too small, they will dissolve completely. Uniform ½ inch pieces will help you achieve the ideal texture. The importance of a quick blanch. Blanching is essential for removing scum and off flavors from the pork. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Add the cubed pork belly, let it boil for just 1 to 2 minutes, and watch for the white scum to rise to the surface. Immediately drain the pork in a colander and rinse the pieces under warm tap water. This quick, hot bath stops those unpleasant bits from clouding your final braising sauce. Remember, a clean start means a cleaner, more vibrant, and better tasting sauce later on. Now you know the basics for making authentic Lu Rou Fan. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.